stop scrolling. I mean, stop scrolling. Just stop right now, okay? If you've been trying to make money online, you've tried everything to no avail, you've downloaded every app possible and you've not made money, you've watched all tutorials and you're unable to make money. I mean, you've gone from one YouTuber talking about making money online, you've exhausted all their videos, you've gone to the next, you've gone to the next, and still you're unable to make even $1 from the online space. It is because you've not been told the truth. It's because you've not been told the secret, and I'm going to tell you today. Even if you've created a YouTube channel and you're still unable to make money, don't worry. I'm going to tell you the secret today, and after this video, go back to doing those things you were doing, watching the tutorials, downloading the apps and working on them, and you will start making money. This video is actually an eye-opener to anyone who is looking forward to making money from the online space. If this is your first time on my channel and you're wondering, who the heavens is she and why is she telling me that after this video I'm going to be able to make money from the online space? My name is Claudia Fonguh and this is my YouTube channel. On this channel we talk about everything small business ideas, side hustle ideas, how you can make money online and how you can build wealth. If these are the kind of content you're interested in and you really desperately want to start making money from the online space, click on that like button, subscribe, turn on your notification bell and watch this video step by step till the end so that you would unlock making money from the online space. See, let me tell you the truth about making money online. Your biggest mistake is what every beginner on the online space makes: following trends. You are following trends instead of solving problems. Anyone who comes to the online space is coming with a problem and needs a solution. When you solve that problem, you'll be able to make money. But if you're not solving a problem and you're chasing trends, you will be unable to make money from the online space, or the amount of money you'll be able to make from the online space will just be peanuts. People don't pay you for trying. I mean, people will not give you their money for trying. People only want to give you money for the value you give them. Now, before we go ahead to these things you have to do to be able to earn, one thing you have to know about making money online is the apps that you go there to like, to comment, to share and do those stuff. The only amount of money you will make will be money, I mean, petite money here and there that will not even help you anyway with your finances. So to be able to make this money and make real money from the online space, these are the things you have to do. Rather than chasing trends, here is what you have to do to earn money and real money from the online space. The first thing you have to do is to find a real world problem. For example, small businesses are out there, or small business owners are out there and they do not know how to edit. Boom! This is where the value gap is. Where is the value in this? Editors. So if you're looking for a way to earn money from the online space, one of the skills you need to be able to make a lot of money is to be an editor. Every small business owner out there wants their business out there. They want beautiful images, beautiful videos of their products and their services. This is where the gap is in the market. So you fit in there, solve their problem, and you earn money in the process. So the second thing for you to do to be able to earn a lot of money from the online space is to learn a skill that solves the above problem, which is to become an editor. Like I said it before, you can go to a platform like YouTube, Skillshare, you can go to Google and learn the skills for free. And the first 100 people who will click on the Skillshare link below there will learn this skill for 30 whole days for free. There are thousands of teachers right there. Select whatever teacher you want and you learn for 30 days. The faster, the better for you. Only for the first 100 people who click on that link. Skillshare has been so good to sponsor this video. There are a lot of skills that are in high demand in the market. We're talking of skills like writing skills, transcription skills. We're talking of product description skills. We're talking of editing and a lot more. All you need to do is to go to these marketplaces and find the skill that is in high demand, learn the skill fast, and you start making money. You can use platforms like ChatGPT, you can use YouTube itself, you can use Skillshare to learn these skills. It all depends on you. We have skills like product description, we have Canva design, we have writing, we have editing, and a whole lot. Like I said, go to the marketplaces, search for the skills that are in high demand so you will have a lot of customers or a lot of clients and you start making money. Now, the third thing you have to do is to package this skill you've learned as a service. This is very important. Now, what you have to do right here is to go to platforms like Fiverr, Upwork. You can go to LinkedIn, even to your Instagram. You create a theme page. You can go to Facebook. You can go to TikTok, and you post. And you can post something like this. I help small businesses to create amazing designs for their products or for their product description. Whatever skill you've learned, put it on your socials and make sure you sponsor it. The reason why I talk about sponsoring this is so that you can maximize your earnings and start making money fast. Now, you must not sponsor it with $100. You can do with $5, $10, depending on how hungry you are to get customers. And when you sponsor this, what Google Ads does for you is it takes these ads directly to the people who are in need of your services. So you see why you have to run an ad on your products, right? Because Google will help you target the right audience that you need for that product. Maximize anything that you see that can help you get clients. You can go to these small businesses physically and you tell them what you can do. This is very important for you making money from the online space. Don't just sit with your skill and think clients are going to come to you anyhow. There is a lot of competition. Go to Fiverr, go to Upwork, and you see the amount of people advertising their businesses out there. Now, those of you watching me right now, the ads that are popping up after 2 minutes or 4 minutes or 5 minutes, these are people advertising their businesses to you. So if you have your own business or you have a skill or a service that you can provide, make sure you run an ad, because when you see the ad, it actually comes to you and then you can click on it and go directly to these people. So run an ad on whatever you want to put out there as a business or making money for yourself. Now, the fourth thing you have to do to be able to make money from the online space is to prove what you are saying. Now, you have the skill, you've learned the skill, you've put it out there on the social media platform. Prove it. Prove that you can actually do what you say you can. You know what we say on the social media space, what I ordered versus what I get. You don't want to make money in that way. Because when you get a client and you do not deliver, that client will never get back to you and that client can never recommend any other person for you. Remember, the first client you get becomes your ambassador. So you want to make sure you deliver and you deliver good. So prove it that you can actually do this. And here is how you can prove this. Do little samples of what you can actually do. Let's take, for example, you can design good backdrops. What you have to do is to design a backdrop and put it on your social media platform. So when you're doing your write-up, you have an evidence of what you have done. Now, another way you can actually prove this is for you to reach out to a small business person and propose to do it for them. Let's say, for example, you are good at product description and you see a small business person who needs a product description on one of their products or service. Reach out to them and tell them, I can do this product description for you that will make you sell or will make your product stand out in the market. Don't ask them for any fundings. Tell them, let me do it for you. If you love it, you can now hire my services. And when you do that and the person is convinced that you can actually do this description well, the person will definitely keep using you and recommending you to other people. So it's either you do it for free or you do it cheaper than the value of what your other competitors are doing in the market. When you are coming to the online space to make money, you have to be strategic about making money. The competition is high. There are a lot of designers, there are a lot of editors online who are good at what they do. So when you come into the market, what you have to do is to break down your price, bring it as low as possible so you can get clients. So for you to be able to make money online, these are the secrets you need to put in place. No matter the fact that you have a skill, you need to be strategic on the online space. Find the right platform. This one is important. It is not every platform that you're going to make money on. Is it the platform you make money? Is it the platform that you'll be able to withdraw that money easily? How do you withdraw this money? What is the means of their withdrawal? PayPal is the highest way that most of the platforms will make money from the online space will send your money through. Actually, most of these platforms will recommend only PayPal to be able to send your money through. So if you don't have a PayPal account and you're struggling to create your PayPal account, you can watch this video right here. It's going to help you. Don't bother. I know you're in Africa and it's difficult, but this video step by step will help you to open your PayPal account. Don't skip a step, because that one step you skip in watching this video, your account, your PayPal account might actually be taken down. All right, so go watch it so you'll be ready for the online space. Like I said, your skill and a strategy. Let me know on the comment which skill you have so that I can tell you the strategy you can use to make money from the online space. If you're a small YouTuber and you're struggling to get your 1,000 subscribers, your 4,000 watch hours to no avail, this is the secret for you. Go down to the comment section and connect with every small YouTuber you see right there. And this is how I want you to connect. And this is the only way that you can get your subscribers and your watch hours. Go to the comment section, connect with them, click on their channel, go to their channel and watch at least 3 videos till the end. When you're done watching, drop a comment related to the video. Like that video or all the videos you've watched and you subscribe on that channel. When you do that, this small YouTuber would do the same for you. So if you see 10 people in the comment section, go there and connect with them. If you see 20, if you see 100, connect with all of them. If you connect with 100, you will have 100 subscribers and your watch hours will be added 3 times this 100. So know what that would do for your channel. Besides you doing that, I also have a link, a WhatsApp link, a Telegram link, and an Instagram link below. Click on it and join the other small YouTubers there who are hungry to grow. They are waiting for you to support them as you would support them too. Please do not try to play a smart one, because you'll be doing that to yourself. Go and connect with them. They will turn out for you as you turn out for them. I love you all. Thank you all for watching this video. Let me know the skill you have so that I can help you with a strategy to make money from the online space. Until next time, never ever give up on anything you do. Bye.